Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create rules to automate workflows on ASANA, your 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to navigate to the ASANA project where you want to set up the rule. By doing this, we're ensuring that the rule only applies to this specific project. This helps us because we might not want the same rules for all our projects. Next, within your chosen project, look for the Customize option and click on it. It's here because ASANA wants to give you the power to personalize your project, making your workflow more efficient. Now let's create a rule. Click on the plus Add Rule button. This is where the magic happens. By creating a rule, you're essentially telling ASANA to perform specific actions when certain triggers occur. Once you've clicked plus Add Rule, you'll be prompted to select a trigger. The reason we do this is to tell ASANA when to activate the rule. For example, you might choose Task Completion as your trigger. After selecting your trigger, it's time to define your action. This is where you tell ASANA what to do when the trigger occurs. You might, for instance, instruct ASANA to move the task to a particular section upon completion. Finally, click on Create Rule. Now that we've done that, ASANA will start automating the workflow based on our rule. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Whenever the trigger we defined occurs, ASANA will perform the action we specified, saving us time and effort. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've automated your workflow in ASANA. Remember, this tool is there to make your work easier, so take advantage of it. That's all for today's quick guide on creating rules to automate workflows on ASANA. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.